Hi, Bethany.
Sup, girl, you home yet?
Yeah, I just arrived home from the trip.
Well, please say you've unpacked at least.
I haven't unpacked yet, but I'm gonna do that later.
What you doing at this time?
Well, I'm just transferring some clips to the computer for the vlog, so yeah.
Why is it quiet over there? Are you home alone or what?
Yeah, I'm home alone. I don't know where the others went.
Well, anyways, can I borrow your camera tomorrow? I gotta complete the geography project. What are you looking at?
No, nothing. Anyways, what are you up to?
Nah, I'm just babysitting the cousin.
Yeah?
You should have seen his actions right before sleep. Like, I've never seen a 6-year-old with that much energy before. But luckily, he just dozed off right after I read him a book. Esther? Hello? Is something wrong?
No, I just feel a bit uneasy. Well, maybe I'm just paranoid, I don't know.
You just chill.
Yeah, Beth? Someone has called me. Can I call you back later?
Why not?
Yeah, I'll see you.
Hope it's not a ghost.
Hello? Who am I speaking with? Beth, if it's you, it's not funny. Stop joking around.